Now I would like to tell something about my newly published book, Romantic Poetry, from the publication of Paira Prakash, Sile. When we were university students, we were bound to read the textbooks. At the initial stage, some of us felt irritating, but with the flow of time, we realized that without touching the textbooks, no student can suck the nectar of poets that was produced in words. But unfortunately, after being a lecturer of National University, I have discovered that majority students of NU, I mean National University, are entirely unwilling to go through the text. Though it is a pathetic news for us, as a result, they are far away from the magic spell of the poets. The liability of avoiding text not only goes to the students, but also goes to the shoulder of the teachers, who we are in teaching faculty. Along with students, most of the teachers are also dependent on study guide introduced by some companies, where teachers are drooling from summary as it is the ultimate scripture for them. There is no scope to revoke the students separately. Anyway, the teaching faculty could be blessed with some dedicated souls, but due to governmental puzzle or anything else, huge wrong persons are on the platform of teaching. That's why foulness dominates over professional personality. There are two kinds of teaching, I think, according to my point of view. Teaching of teaching, and last one is teaching of salary. First one has been crucified, where next one is smiling with earthly gain. In spite of these dark shadows, someone has to do something to rescue from this heinous collapse. This effort, I mean the publication of Romantic Poetry by Paira Prakash, is only to inspire the students to read that text. And one thing should be added, it is not my fundamental book at all. We can say that it is a collection of text along with some information from various sources, say for example, internet, printed books, table talk. I have accumulated the informations along with text for the students, nothing else. In the National University syllabus, we know, for the students of second year English department, there are 6 romantic poets. Students are unwilling to buy a single textbook, let alone 6 books. That's why I have deposited the selected poems from romantic poets so that they can get 6 in 1. Dear students, another thing I would like to tell about my YouTube channel named EduLake. All of you can subscribe it for your betterment, because here you will get a huge number of lectures on your textual topics, besides talking of teachers about teaching and literature, and interviews of various authors. Last of all, I would like to tell you about dream, draw a dream, go forward with it and try to translate it into reality through hard work, perseverance, commitment and devotion, because we know that a dream can attain an unattainable margin. If the book and my words are helpful to the students, I shall be highly glad. Thanks to all.